replacement. Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the fastest route. Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
It's fire from the side. Down he went, won the fraction of Ducati, clattered into
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
nowhere to get into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't.
Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now
has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli
clattered into Quartararo.
End of this one then as they now head around.
Pushed into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli
clattered into.
They now head around Maggots and Beckett's.
The high side, down he went, won the fraction of Ducati, clattered into.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went, won the fraction of Ducatis, clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through.
Just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli
clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, a Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then.
The tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
they can't
give a Fabio Quartararo, a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
I just wonder if we might see a
Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli
clattered into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
He go. Brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati. The high side, down he went, won the fraction Ducatis, clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
For Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has
back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli
clattered into
Dovizioso is on you. Brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the
brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the
brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the
brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the
brilliant start from Marquez from Parodi.
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the replacement. Sylvain Gintley on the Suzuki. Happy Siren, the fastest route.
Quartararo's down!
Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Down he went, won the fraction of Ducati, clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to
Quartararo's down! Is that Dovizioso?
I think it is!
Unbelievable! Fire from the Ducati.